It's not a bad evening to do so. And for most of us, you could actually probably enjoy it in your backyard this evening or on your back patio, as we do have some rain in the area, but it's not through the bulk of central Indiana just yet. The bulk of it will come through during the overnight hours. I wanted to show you a live view from Lake Monroe. Every once in a while, one of the little spiders has popped out, so you can tell it's warm out because they're seeking some shade underneath the lens of the camera. But this is the view we've got as we look over to the east across Lake Monroe. Out in the distance, we are seeing a little shower. This has developed out into western portions of Bartholomew County. That's moving off to the northeast, just passing Columbus to the west. You can see on Guardian radar right now there is some lightning up across portions of Grant County, so far northeastern Indiana. Also a couple down towards southwestern Clay County. And as I mentioned, we've had one shower that's been passing through portions of Bartholomew County. This is the one we could see from over at Lake Monroe. Keeps sliding off to the north and east, just missed Harrison Lake, and will keep moving up towards the Camp Atterbury area, likely missing Columbus, maybe a light shower up towards the Parkside area, and that should be about it. Later on this evening, we'll see a better chance for some thunderstorms towards the overnight hours. Notice as we head towards around 10 o'clock, we're going to watch a line of thunderstorms move towards the Indiana-Illinois state line. This will begin to slide into the area, moving through during the overnight hours, so we may hear some rumbles of thunder. You may have some winds beginning to pick up. I'm not expecting any severe weather out of this. However, there could be an isolated severe storm, the main threat being some strong winds with this. It'll also put down some heavy rain in a short period of time. Temperatures around central Indiana. Right now, it's warm, not terribly hot, but when you factor the humidity, we have heat indices in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Actual air temperature sitting mainly in the middle to upper 80s. Overnight, temperatures not cooling off too much. Upper 60s to lower 70s with mostly cloudy skies, and we'll have some rain around the area. For tomorrow, temperatures will only be in the low 80s. It's going to be very humid, though, so heat indices will likely be in the upper 80s. Now, we will watch for some showers and thunderstorms to redevelop towards around the noon hour. You can see the line developing up towards Lafayette, back towards Danville, or I should say out towards Covington, Indiana. That will begin to slide off to the east slowly. By 3 o'clock, you can see some stronger thunderstorms beginning to develop. We may have an isolated severe thunderstorm tomorrow as well. We'll have to watch with this line. The main threat being some large hail as well as some gusty winds. That then moves off to the east. And rainfall amounts between now and Friday night could be hefty if you get a thunderstorm passing overhead. Of all the moisture and the humidity that's in place, any one of these thunderstorms could produce a heavy shower in a very short period of time. 7-day forecast shows an isolated thunderstorm possible on Saturday. Otherwise, not too bad. Probably the best day of the weekend coming in on Sunday. Mostly sunny, partly cloudy skies, less humid, highs in the mid-80s. An isolated thunderstorm possible on Monday. A better chance for some rain coming in for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We'll keep fine-tuning the forecast to see if we can find some windows in there for fireworks shows to go off.